Bye-bye, thank you very much. Bye-bye, yes, thank you. And here we are in Doha. Once again, lovely. I smell a special smell as we make our way. Mara will be limping along a little bit.
My legs are a little stiff.
Yeah. Go a little bit to the right, Mara, so people can pass if they need to.
Yeah.
Here we are. So, those of you just joining us now, welcome to our Transfer at Doha Airport video. Mano is going to be leading the way. Now it's point of finding our gate. Today Mano has a little limp, so unfortunately it'll be a little bit slower. Transfer.
Upstairs. Thank you.
Right, transfers to the right. So on we go. Just arrived on that plane. Qatar Airways Dreamliner, Boeing 787. Is it upstairs? Well, that's not very good signs, yeah? Well, everybody's going that way. Well, that way, Mara. There you see. Even us who travel a lot get confused. So we're just going to follow the rest of the people and find the transfer. That's our plane, yeah. Shall we get a quick photo about? Get a quick photo there. Come. No. We'll pick up the video here in a moment. Oh, let's pick up the pace again. We presume that. Just check the info board up there first of all, Maro. Very important. Be sure where your gate is before you start walking. It can change or be in a different place, even if you've seen on the aircraft where your connection is from. But let's have a look there. Maro, you better check out flight numbers and that kind of thing. So check the board and check your flight number and be sure that it's your flight. There could be multiple flights to the same destination sometimes. And also remember that flight numbers can change next to their name because they are code-share flights. Our gate is C11, so we're just going to go. I don't think we're going to be walking far today. Maro's leading the way. Just go straight up ahead. That'll be the shortest transfer we've ever had at Doha, if it's correct. Yeah, don't say anything yet. Things can change very quickly. Up there, C22 to C24 is the sign, and C25 to C26 the other way. So maybe I'm wrong already.
Yeah, C11 is
yeah. So Maro, lead the way through the duty-free, perhaps. Yeah, we're going to the center here. Into the center. Are we going to see the bay? As you can see, Maro's hopping along there. She overtrained her foot. She wanted to do a lot of training. And that's why, there you go. Now we can see the C1 to C21. Here's this is a new part of the airport. Ah, this is where we normally walk to. Aha. Yeah, that nice green area. Look at this. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely greenery. Yes. Wow. That's lovely. Oh, look at that.
real here.
Oh, that's lovely.
You must go there once there.
Yeah, we must do a walk there.
Yeah.
I was just getting a few Instagrammers for us. Little story there. Beautiful. The ceiling. And a little bit different. I'm sure this has been inspired by Singapore. It looks like the gate is probably pretty close to here, so we're going to do a walk through this tropical misty jewel in the center of the airport. Maro's going to take us through the path. I think Maro wants to make a story as she walks through here. Look at this dome here. Oh, they've done something wonderful here. They really have. We've never seen this part of the airport. On we go. See a lot of the greens down there.
That's like a sandstorm.
Yeah, wonderful. Little park down there for the kids. Okay, they're doing some maintenance there.
Wow, that's like being in the Singapore Dome.
Yeah. You hear the birds singing.
People can sit there under the tree.
It's lovely. It's really nice. A waterfall over there. Gonna have a look here, Maro. Look at that. Shops over there, duty free. Just blended into the lovely forest here. Now we must remember that we're heading to gate C11. Just had to enjoy this big surprise, I would say. Lovely surprise. Never seen, we've been here a few times, but okay, in fairness, we walked past the last time we were here. I had some issues with the camera, so I wasn't able to use it, but I didn't think it was this big. Very nice. Well done, Qatar Airport. Hamad International Qatar Airport, Doha Airport. So Maro, lead the way. There's a sign, follow the sign, C30, C43, C50, but we did see over on the other side our gates in that direction. So here we're having our walk, what it would be like for you. No signs to check at the moment, but we kept our eyes open and could see that Fendi, a lot of cafes, shops here, a lot of shops.
Nice view from here too.
And a nice view, as Maro says, look at that. Lovely view. Follow Maro on.
I will take a drive from here. I don't know how you drive here.
On we go. Up ahead there I can see the signs already. C1 to C21.
I found shorts where you were already there.
Those of you who don't know, Maro forgot to pack my shorts. Before you get angry with me, Maro's in charge of my packing, because otherwise I overpack, she says. But this time she forgot to bring my shorts. We're going to a tropical country, going to Kuala Lumpur, and Maro forgot to bring me my shorts. I suppose the first day I have to spend finding shorts somewhere. Hopefully they have my size. Maro always forgets that she doesn't have the microphone and we can't hear her when she is talking from that distance. There we have the C11. So always follow the signs in this airport, yellow signs. Look at this wall coming up with the water. There's always something nice going on at this airport.
Behind from the glass.
Yes, it's really nice. And straight down we go. It's lovely. If you haven't checked out our airport videos, you can go down below in the description. I've left a link to all our airport videos from all the airports around the world we've visited and done transfers at. And if you want to see some of our flight reviews, I've also left a link down there. We've done over 100 flight reviews, mostly in economy class, which most of us fly with. So do check them out. We also are on Instagram and on Facebook. Instagram links on the screen now.
Lounges up there.
Maro's just showing lounges are up in that direction, those of you who want to go there. We've got a camel up ahead too. This looks like the area somewhere around where the bear used to be. I think it's quite far from here actually, now that I think about it. And this camel always draws Maro. She loves that camel. Is it your camel?
That's my camel.
We've had a few shots at that camel. Well, let's follow Maro on again. Gate C1 to C13, straight ahead. C14 to C17, C1 to C13. So just go straight. There's another sign straight ahead. Electronic shop, Robosen. Joe and the Juice, which is Danish. As you don't know, I'm Danish. Maro's Finnish. She's actually a Danish citizen also. And some more displays, spectacular displays, centerpieces of the airport. And again, we're following the gates. That way. C18, so straight ahead, C1 to C13. Look at the art here.
Straight away.
Are we having a selfie here, Maro? Yeah. Sorry, viewers. We have to have some material for our Instagram also. And on we go. That's a very Middle Eastern looking restaurant there, Maro. Look to the right. I just want to walk past that. Looking nice. Look at that.
Look the boat.
There's some currency exchange for those of you who need that. Like a bazaar restaurant or what? You can see what we experienced. Look at that.
You can't just pass them without them.
No.
They are so nice, huh?
Absolutely. Shall we carry on?
In my opinion, Doha definitely passes the Dubai.
Yeah, it's better than Dubai Airport. Look at this nice, very cozy place to sit. So on we go. What did the sign say? Don't lose your bearings.
Yeah, no. We made a
Signs are up there, straight still. C1 to C13. So straight down, Maro. Ah, there we go. C1 to C9. That's only C1 to C9.
There.
What does it say up there? C1. It says straight.
Yeah, it is.
There's C12. And we C11. Is that right?
Yeah.
So on we go. There's C11 down there. I can see already. It is a Saturday afternoon. The time here, local time, is about 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon. It's the weekend before Easter. Here comes an information board. It's also worthwhile to just quickly stop and check that. Make sure the gate hasn't changed. Okay, it probably hasn't changed in the short time since we started walking, but always interesting to have a look.
C11.
Anyway, C11, yes. We normally film these videos for you guys and gate to gate, and then when we're done with that, we take the travelator. Then we like to wander around ourselves. There is a train at the airport for the longer walks. We've taken that train only once ever.
Such a beautiful airport, huh?
It really is. Much nicer than Dubai. Not to put Dubai down or anything like that, but I'm just saying it on the back.
Here too, with the windows and the view.
I'm saying it on the background of Dubai is very hyped up. A lot of people talk about how good it is, and that's why we were a little bit underwhelmed when we were there, even though it's still a good airport, but this one is definitely nicer. Mara, you got to put a little trot on.
Aye.
A little walk.
Fast forward.
There's our gate C11. Little note to remember when you are here at Doha Airport and transfer at the gates. There are no lavatories once you've gone through security and into the gate. So we try to sort of leave it to the last minute many times, because you must just remember, you get onto an aircraft, you can't go to the lavatory either very quickly. But there we have gate C11. We will check its board once we get there. Over to the left, Mara. That's our gate. Yeah, should be. What does it say? Muson Lounge? Doesn't say anything about. That is gate C11. And there's our aircraft there. It looks like a 777 out there too. Oh, there you go. That's our aircraft out
Maybe
there.
the plane is there already.
Probably is, yeah.
C11.
C11, that's how you get to.
That's how you transit.
That's how you transit. I sort of lost the words today. It's been a while since we've done this airport, but I hope it gives you an idea. And don't forget to, if you have the time, stop and check out the sites.
Yes.
Beautiful garden or internal jungle they made. Very well, very worthwhile. But if you enjoyed the video, please do leave a like down below. If it helped you, leave it a like down below. Leave us a comment, just a hello or something like that. It's lovely to see that there's real people watching our videos, and it also helps our videos get showed to more, which you hear from all other YouTubers. And don't forget to subscribe, and
see you on the next video.
And she cut me off there. See you on the next video. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.
Bye from Maro.
And bye from Maxi.